Wiz here with another fantastic video. I'm going to be talking about the shower filters. Since the last time I made a video on shower filters, I have two. One is the Aqua Home Group and the other is by Pure Action. I have these two different filters for review purposes and also because I like to have a little bit of variety. These ones are vitamin C filters as well, and they're really high quality. It's similar to like a gold product of this last silver ones that I promoted, except each one of these are only $10. You pay for 5 filters $50, so $10 a filter. Excellent deal. If you want something with a little bit more quality, try Pure Action because you get scents. You can literally take showers in rose petals, lavender, lemon, jasmine, interchangeable smells for your shower experience. And it filters very well. It is about $30. I'll have links in the description below for both of these fantastic products. So you can see here, this is my old shower head. Very gross, got rid of that. I had another one in the bathroom that's similar to the Aqua Home Group, but this one, very unique. I had to give that to the shower over here. You can smell the lemon scent or whatever scent you put in here by unscrewing this. This actually comes undone. Whether you want to or not, you're gonna have to open up the shower filter and then undo that sticker. There's a small hole here. I believe the water seeps into this small hole and it secretes a little bit of lemon scent at a time. So make sure you just peel that and it should be good to go. Put it back inside and that's it. These are all the items that are included in your Pure Action filter. This is a extension, an adapter, and some gauze tape. The scents, these are the instructions. It just shows, they're just showing you basically how to put the gauze tape on your shower. And there's nothing else there. There's no other instructions. So I hope that this video was helpful in helping you set up your shower filter with Pure Action. And for anyone who's curious about the water pressure is fantastic. And even without gauze, I don't see any leaks at all. This is how it drains. So you can see the water slowly goes back down. And that's it. And this probably needs to be cleaned up a little bit too. Ugh, gross. Need to clean my shower. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful for the Pure Action filter. And we'll be looking at the other filter now. This is the inside of the Aqua Home Group filter. So this is the filter. This is what it looks like on the bottom. Put this on the bottom. This is what it looks like at the bottom. Simply put in another filter, screw it on top. And that is how you replace the filter cartridge. Make sure that's on there pretty tight. I'm going to use 2 hands. The easiest way to install this particular filter is to put the head on first. Then proceed to doing the bottom side of the shower head. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's done and it's screwed on all the way. We're going to increase the pressure just a little bit. Okay, no leaks. The last shower head that I had kind of leaked, and I put the other shower head on that I said was garbage and it actually worked fine. But I'm probably just going to replace this piece eventually, or at least clean it so I can reuse it. I think cleaning it is probably the smartest way to go though, because then you don't have to really worry about that look of calcium deposits. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. And take care.